Hey everyone! On November 5th, we announced the launch of our new Cloud Application Protection platform to secure web applications wherever they're hosted. We also announced that WAF as a service is now built on Microsoft Azure. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the changes that customers will see as a result of WAF as a service being in Azure. There are two changes, neither of which are really significant. The first change has to do with how DNS records are set up. So I'm going to create an application here. And I'm going to enter an IP address that's actually in Australia, and you'll see why in a minute. So the first change is that at the end of the wizard, instead of asking our customers to change a DNS-A record, we're actually asking them to create a CNAME record, which is an alias record, to this, appsomething.prod.kudawas.com. And the reason for that is that it allows us to do DNS load balancing and better distribute our traffic across Azure and our data centers without any downtime. So this is just a very minor change to how customers will configure their DNS records. The second change, which is more interesting, is that on the endpoints page, there will be a new deployment location pane that you see here. And WAF as a service has actually detected that the IP I gave is in Australia, and so it's hosting WAF as a service in Australia for this application. Most locations will also require a backup, and so the backup here is Singapore, which is the second closest location to Australia. And customers can edit this to change where their application is deployed. This list of regions will be expanding over the next few weeks to include all 54 Azure regions. It also includes one region up here, North America and West Europe, which is our existing Anycast infrastructure in our data centers. So customers can actually switch between the Anycast infrastructure and Azure regions. The switch does take up to 30 minutes, and during that time there can be some application downtime. So currently we recommend that you either do it when you set up an application before changing DNS or during a maintenance window. But we will be working on improving this and performing the switch seamlessly without any downtime. Speaking of which, you'll also see that it can take up to an hour to provision a new application in Azure. And we recommend that customers wait to change their CNAME records until after this message disappears, an hour after application creation, to make sure that they don't have any application downtime. So those are the changes, and as we said, allowing customers to host anywhere is going to improve performance and decrease latency for our customers. Thanks for watching.